Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Tracy local and long-distance movers near me. For more than 20 years, customers have been coming to 3 Movers for their big moves. Our licensed movers will offer you any service that you'll need for moving day, from packing to unpacking. Always on time, you can count on us to get started on schedule. We provide customers with excellent quality service at a competitive rate, which you can see for yourself on the free quote we will provide you with. Moving to another state or country is no easy feat. Packing all of your things is a mission in itself, let alone having to find a way to move your belongings. Our movers at 3 Movers can make every move, even the long-distance ones, a stress-free experience. Be at ease that all of your valuables will be kept safe with our protective packaging. A short drive away, your new home or office awaits. But it will sit empty for a while until you manage to move all your things on your own. Thankfully, you called 3 Movers for help. On the same day, you can be packed and unpacked, ready to kick back and enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tracy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.